Hello everyone, welcome to Real Tutors online platform. If this is your first time on our YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, and if you've been here and you're not subscribed yet, please kindly do so. And thank you to all of our subscribers. We're immensely grateful. So today, what are we going to be doing? Today we're going to be looking at a topic which is Pythagoras theorem. Now, what comes to your mind when you hear Pythagoras theorem? I'll be saying this in one of our videos. We treated various types of triangle, and one of the types of triangle that we have is the right angle triangle, which is a triangle that has one of its angle to be 90 degrees. A right angle triangle is a triangle that has one of its angle to be 90 degrees. Now, when we're talking about Pythagoras theorem, mostly or majorly most of the time we look at a right angle triangle. That's when we talk about a Pythagoras theorem. So now, a right angle triangle has three sides, which is what we call the hypotenuse, hypotenuse. We have the adjacent, and we have the opposite. Now, the hypotenuse, which is represented by H in most cases, is the side facing the right angle triangle. So the side facing the right angle triangle is the hypotenuse, which I call this. And also it is also the longest side on a right angle triangle. So if this is my angle theta, the given angle, this side is called the opposite, while the other side is called the adjacent. While if this side is the given angle, this side will be called the opposite, while this side will be called the adjacent. We understand what I mean by if this side is the given angle when we talk about another thing. So now, what does Pythagoras theorem state? Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the longest side of the right angle triangle is equals to the sum of the two other sides. Is equals to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. Okay, good. So what does that mean? The longest side on the right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. So it's going to be hypotenuse all squared is equals to the other sides that we have is the opposite and the adjacent. It will be equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So what do I mean? The hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Okay, so now let's move. Now there's something we call Pythagorean triple. Pythagorean triple. Now Pythagorean triple is there are just three numbers that satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. An example is 3, 4, 5. An example is 3, 4, 5. Good. Now, where this can be the opposite, this can be the adjacent, while the last one is always the hypotenuse. So now, let's check this. 5 squared, is it the same thing as the opposite, 3 squared plus 4 squared? 5 squared is 25, and this is 9 plus 16. So 25 is equals to 25. So this is a Pythagorean triple because it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. Good. Now, let's look at the questions that says that we have a right angle triangle, and we have the hypotenuse to be 10, and we have 10 centimeter, and we have one of its sides to be 8 centimeter, and we are asked to find the other side. Let's assume this side is our opposite, this is the hypotenuse, so we need to find the adjacent. So what do we do? This is what we do. So we say using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, we know that the hypotenuse squared is equals to the opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Good. So what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse here is 10. So we have 10 centimeters squared is equals to, what's the opposite? 8 centimeter squared plus adjacent. Let's call that x squared. So this is 10 centimeter squared minus 8 centimeter squared is equals to x squared. So I can say x squared is the same thing as 10 centimeter all squared minus 8 centimeter all squared. So there's something we call difference of two squares. Let me quickly explain that. Difference of two squares, difference of two squares, and that's what that says is that x squared minus x squared is the same as x minus a multiplied by x plus a. So if I want to apply that here, so my x squared is just going to be 10 centimeter minus 8 centimeter into 10 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, and that's going to give me x squared is equal to 2 centimeter multiplied by 18 centimeter, and that's simply going to be x squared is equal to 36 centimeter squared. So what do I have? X is just going to be the square root of 36 centimeter squared. So x is just going to be plus or minus 6 centimeter. Now, since what we are considering is a distance, actually going to be the positive one, which means that x is equal to 6 centimeter. So the adjacent which we have found is 6 centimeter. So we have successfully looked at how to apply the Pythagoras theorem to solve questions anytime we have one. I believe this video has been informative and educative. Should in case you have any questions for us, kindly